All right, in episode 3 of our logarithm videos, we have common and natural logarithms. So both exponents and logs can have any base, but a scientific calculator has buttons for logs with two specific bases. First is log x. This is called the common logarithm, and it's always base 10. If I show you on my calculator right here, you'll see that there's a log button right here. And then notice above it, there's a 10 to the x power. Well, that's because a log is the inverse operation of an exponential function with base 10. This log also has base 10. So whenever you see log x, it's always the common logarithm and is always base 10 because there's not some other base here specified. Could also be written as log base 10 of x. The second logarithm that you're going to see on a scientific calculator is called the natural logarithm, and it always has base e. I'll probably make a separate video explaining what e is, but just really quick, e is not a variable, so it's not like x or y, something where we're going to be plugging in or substituting values in place of e. E is a very specific number, and this is its approximation down here, about 2.718. If you want to go to three places, kind of like pi. That symbol pi represents 3.14159, this number that continues on forever, the decimals at least. So natural log of x always has base e. It could also be written ln base e of x, natural log base e of x. Now, why do I show you these two? Because if a log has base 10 or base e, if it's the common log or the natural log, we can easily find its value, the value of the log, that is, using those buttons on the calculator. So once again, here's the calculator. We'll slide it down there. And you can see there's the log button and there's the natural log button. This calculator has the feature that it also has a button where you can enter some different base. You see there's this kind of little white square, and it's you can see that it's slightly below the level of the log and then the open rectangle. But using this button, you can change the base. So I could type in, for example, log base 2 of 16 or log base 1.5 of any number. It doesn't matter what. Okay. And then notice also on the natural log button, its inverse, or e to the x. Notice a base of e here, exponential function with base e, and this is a log with base e.